Hello guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sitting in a 2021 Toyota Corolla and I'm going to show you how to update the two clocks on the car. So by two clocks I mean the one that appears just here on the dashboard and also the main one on the entertainment screen. Just going to click the ignition on 2 clicks without starting the car just to show you where the clocks are. So just loading at the moment. And there we go, you can see the one clock there, and obviously when we're actually driving one appears just there as well. Now they are synchronized, which is really nice, so you just change them in one position. Now the car does come default with the settings actually, so we hit the menu button there and then once we hit setup. So this clock is actually adjusted by the GPS at the moment, but the GPS isn't always correct, and especially where you're near a border or near a time zone, it can actually get confused. So what we can do is we can go to clock, and then when we go down the menu there, the second one is auto adjust by GPS. We actually want to turn that off. And with that off, we actually can get to the manual settings to update the hours backwards and forwards and the minutes backwards and forwards as well. And then you've got some other options there for daylight savings time and 24-hour time format. So if we're just going to move it forward 1 hour and then just hit return, that will have updated that clock, which will also update the clock in the dashboard. So nice and easy. And then maybe when you get to a more positive GPS location, you can turn that back on to auto and then it will auto adjust as well. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.